As you all have likely heard, yesterday in a historic deal, Activision Blizzard acquired King Digital Entertainment for $5.9 billion. With this foothold in the mobile gaming market, we will become gods! 500 million people around the world play Candy Crush, which has the potential to... The fad of Candy Crush is officially dead. I'm sorry, we're doomed.
What if we were to create new, original games? You know, ones that innovate and intrigue. Games that users would be thrilled to play, that we'd be proud to make. Games that present new ideas to the field and bring it to a higher level. We did it before, and we can do it again.
He's right. Nobody leaves this office until we have something new and exciting to show our loyal fans. It's perfect.